Welcome back to Learn with Libbles, where we do Libbles audio. Today I'm going to be doing the voiceover for my white chocolate and passion fruit cake that I've been developing now for about a month. In this video I'm going to show you how I mix in the meringue to the base of the chiffon sponge. At the base I make with a combination of soft brown sugar and golden caster sugar, and I've got some lime zest in there as well, as well as some lime juice. So it's really tasty and loads of flavour. This part is for the chiffon sponge, so I'm showing how you put the meringue into your base sort of batter, which then makes your chiffon cake. Here you can see I'm mixing the egg white, and I'm just taking a bit to temper the base, the batter base. And then what you're doing here is, the reason you want to temper it is so that, because your cake batter, not the meringue, is quite thick, you want to get your meringue in there, and you want the two consistencies to be as similar as possible, and you want to retain as much air from your meringue as possible too. So you can see that it's getting quite sort of thick and cloudy, which is what you want. So you just need to take, and you do this with lots of things so that you equalise your consistencies. So I'm going to take a bit more now and put it in. You can see from the meringue it's a bit sort of, I guess, like sloppy and loose, but if you over whip it, it's going to be hard and dry, and then that's not really going to be very nice in your cake. The best thing with meringue is you build them up slowly, so that you get a nice stable meringue. So now I'm mixing in the second batch of meringue, and I'm going all around the edge, and I'm really trying to fold it in, and I'm cutting through the middle, going around the edge, making sure that I'm getting all my meringue in, but trying to knock out as little air as possible, because what you don't really want is lumps of egg white in there. So it's got a really nice full frothy body, and we want to kind of try and keep that. So I'm going to go with pretty much nearly all of it now, and just leave a little bit left. And then we're going to do the same process again, and this is where you need to sort of be quite firm with your movements, because you want to mix it as quickly as possible, because also now that you've got your meringue in there and you are moving it around, more likely it's going to collapse. So really, from probably now and when you start the process of mixing the two together, you want to get it mixed in your pan into the oven, hot oven, as quickly as possible. So you could afford to leave a bit of white in there at this point, because you haven't really got very much more to go, so you could just mix the last batch. You know, it will just mix together now. Right, and now we've got our last amount in, so we're just going to make sure the bowl's nice and clean, so we're not going to get smudge marks on anything or transfer it onto the cake tin. Not really massively important, but it's good practice. And then just really gently get the last bit mixed in. And you've got loads of nice volume in there. It's a really nice consistency, nice and thick. And we can pretty much stop mixing. And you kind of think that, yeah, there you go, just demonstrating it's holding its ribbon. That's good.